Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain how to create foreign key with example. So first I have created department table where we have the primary key. So in the department table I have declared department ID as a primary key and then department name. Now uh, if we start any of the organization, first we will decide the department. Okay, so department has already decided and given a department ID to just uniquely identify each department. Now we have another table, employee. So employee belongs to some department. Okay, so in the employee table, department ID must be the part of department ID or department table. If it's not a part of department table, it means some invalid department has entered in employee table. Okay, so to make ensure this department ID of the employee table is part of department ID of department, we do create a foreign key, or also can say referential integrity. Now how to create? Just create table employee name. Okay, and then employer is the primary key in this employee table, then employee name, salary. Now after declaring all the column, I am going to define referential integrity with department table. So it is a constraint, so I declare a constraint name, foreign key. Which column I am going to use foreign key? This department ID column. Okay, now it is referenced with which table? Department table. In the department table, which column it is going to use as a reference column? Department ID. Very simple. Let's execute this. Yes, it's created. Now after creating this foreign key in employee table, I made ensure like I will not be able to enter any of the department ID in the employee table which is not part of department table. Okay, now we have some extra point here that I will explain in a next video, but let me give you brief. What will happen if some action happen on parent table? So in the child table, like in the employee table, I am not able to insert any department value which is not part of department table. But what will happen if some changes in the parent table, like some changes in the existing value of department ID in the parent table? So this part I will discuss, like I will explain in next video. Thank you.